Dude, you're such an idiot. If you say...
You say it, folks!
Oh, dude, I just remembered. I was gonna...
Ow, look at this car. Oh shit, I'm out. Oh my god. I fell. What the fuck? There's a chest down here. Don't leave me. Oh my god. Driving so dirty.
You're so unburdened with things like intelligence, culture,
Freaking
morality,
Asian.
honor, ambition.
Me?
Yeah, you.
My driving was perfect. Did you see that? That backup was just amazing.
Let me drive. I'll probably be like the best driver here.
Alright.
Alright.
Wow, you fell.
Where are you?
Where's the car?
Make another one.
Oh my god, orange.
Orange. Oh, dude.
I blew up the car, I think.
Where is he? Where's Walter? Already, I'm driving. You can.
You drive. I'm gunner.
Alright, how do you drive?
F4G is to use super speed.
Let's run over this asshole. Oh, I can see that.
Dude, look at you driving. You're so bad. Look at that. I'm just blowing him up. Oh,
I'm running them over.
what is this now? Wow. You're not a murderer. Oh yeah, our car has health, by the way. So. It's invincible. Let's go. That bad driving. Look at that!
I'm waiting for welcome, bro. That was pro. See that? Don't shoot at it. Oh shit, we gotta
I actually shot a bird at my friend's house. Like I hit one with a rocket and it didn't die. Nice driving skill.
I don't know where to go.
Over here.
Over here.
I'm jumping off. You passed it a while ago. Don't run me over! Oh my god. Are you trying to kill me?
Did you see that?
Alright. You and your lame tricks.
Where is he?
Who's coming? Who's here?
Let us in, Grinder! We're only gonna kill every last one of you! Another sword of the ballbuster!
Professional driver. You gotta admit, that crash was pretty epic.
How you
You caught that crash or more like you suck at driving?
No, I crashed to him on purpose.
Alright.
Oh, so you're the one I've been hearing all this radio chatter about. Which I'll put the Crimson Raiders.
Roland was a character I played in the first game.
He was.
Yeah, he's a commander. He's a soldier of that game, and I'm just. I'm second generation, man.
Why is the top? Hello.
Heck kick.
Good. Listen to what he says.
Okay.
He can help us defeat
Okay,
Jack.
pieces here. There we go.
I'm going up here.
That was fun. That was a fun part.
Alright, want to take a break?
A break? Do you?
Sure, I guess. We got to chapter 4 in a day. Alright. The Road to Sanctuary.
Or do you want to finish this last chapter then take a break? Up to you.
What time is it?
4:18.
I need to take a break.
Huh?
I need to take a break. Alright.
Okay, so this is it for this, whatever it's called. I don't know, playthrough. Something. That was fun. We have to leave Walker. I just feel so guilty leaving him, you know what I mean?
He's level 12.
But still,
Yeah, whatever.
he helped us through all these troubles.
We helped him!
He helped us, and he took the car and he did something.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright guys, thank you for... Oh shit.
Thank you for oh shit.
Okay, Roger, you can do a conclusion. Ow. Oh, he freaking left. Bastard.
Oh, bastard.
Hey,
Yeah.
when you quit, does it save on its own?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can AOTF or though.
Okay, thank you for watching. I'm tired.
Type of washing.
Watching. Alright, peace. Alright, what's up, guys? You walk this row.
Alright, hello, children.
That was.
Oh crap, I'm lagging. I gotta turn my resolution even lower.
Resolution?
Apparently 800 by 600 makes me lag. 800 by 600, you know how bad that is?
Missing! Got it. Now he's very dead. Dude, my rank is a badass rank. Oh wait, what's hitting me? Oh, you didn't tell me?
Oh, there's some stuff aiming at us. I thought you knew.
I didn't know. I tabbed.
Oh, it's a little bit laggy.
What sniper rifle do you
It'll
have?
get better. What? I have a sniper that shoots 5 at a time. I'm lagging. But where are you? Where is this place? Alright, I'm really laggy. I can't really play.
Alright, stop. You should be fine now. Try
The
fixing it.
recording is done.
Try fixing it.
Yeah, I'm lagging. Oops. Yeah, I'm lagging because you're uploading or something.
Yeah, that's true.
Every time I shoot a bullet, it goes fly like
to be spare with the 2 rivers.
Alright,
Stuff
so
back. Okay.
we're on the road. Road to America. We're all to find
You
people.
have any better shields? My old shield is 150.
My shield is 417.
What? How'd you get that?
I don't know, I just had like 30. Oh, 400. Oh, dude, I know how to drive. I learned how to drive. Ooh, I'm Jesus. Watch this.
Too late.
Dude, let me drive, please. Wait. Hey, we're right here already. We're here already.
Look at that progress. Oh, I just ran you over.
How? Let me go in here. Oh my god.
Oh, you did it! Look at
Yay,
this.
travel.
Driving is so fun
The
in this
horns
game.
divide.
We should have 2 separate cars.
No, that's lame. You gotta have. So, wow.
Go, go, go! Shoot these things.
Aiming's really bad on this thing. So. I got one. Oh, Skag, you're dead. Yeah! Oh, we did nice. Massacre!
2 beasts at this.
Wait, that cactus. Ouch. Eee. Electric, doesn't that remind you of something? Let me drive, bro.
Handsome Jack here, reminding you
Jack.
all not to worry your pretty little heads about those earthquakes. See, with every tremor, my drill gets closer to the vault. To
Alright, get out for a
freedom,
sec.
Order and safety for us all. Except you
Ambush.
assets.
Oh, Rampardo. Oh yeah, badass. We're badass. Yeah. Oh, I just feel like you're there.
Are you ready? crap, it's on. Dude, I'm stuck. It's a lie.
Alright, I'm trying to shoot you as well this time. Whoa, we made it out alive. The car's gonna regenerate in a bit, don't worry. As long as you don't take damage.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool. You can drive. How do you get up?
E. My friend, he said that and then he
Oh
ditched
shoot, I
me.
went in the wrong one.
Wow. Why'd you get in the drivers and ditch me?
Nah, I won't.
Alright, so, wow, we're there already. Hey.
We are.
Yeah.
That's it?
Wait, there was something back there. Oops. Alright. Oh crap! Stupid cactus. Alright, get out. It looks a bit laggy. We need this and
Got the power core from the
there.
black shots.
Get back in.
I'm hit. Gonna lose them in the marrow fields.
I don't even care.
Reese is in trouble. Damn, spread thin enough as it is.
Wait. Our objective's
Find
right
him,
there.
soldier.
Where the hell do we go? Oh wait, there we go. New objective.
Alright, let's do this. First person shooter. Oh, wait, go back. What's that? Is that a gun? Oh, what the heck, man?
This gun? Yeah, 2 guns. Oh wait, that's money. Right. From here we're walking.
What are you doing?
We're walking. I parked.
Why are
We have to walk. The car can't fit through here.
We'll
We can
make it.
try.
We'll make it.
Alright, we'll make it fit. Logic, let's go.
Oh, wait.
You're in the gunner.
I'm the gunner seat. Alright, ready? We'll make it.
The bad the shield is that it gives lots of shield, but it reduces my max health. See what I mean?
Hopeless.